Hi! In front of me is HONOR Magic4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. You need to begin by opening one of your apps, like Play Store. Now you need to click on this square button and click on this little icon at the top right corner of your app. As you can see now, I can use it in this little window over here. If you wish to move it around, you can always do that by holding this blue line and dragging it. If you wish to make it smaller, click on Home button. Then, to access it, tap on the bubble. If you want to use it to overlay other apps, just tap on the other one and operate in both. If you wish to close your app, you can do that by clicking on the top left corner to make it full screen, or selecting X at the top right one. You can also hold the bubble and drag it to the pin section. Then let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!